Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Listen to Speak podcast. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Rayan. It's great to see you again for another fun and super useful English lesson. And today, we have a very exciting topic, especially if you love traveling.
Yes, traveling is fun, exciting, and full of new experiences. But it can also be stressful if you don't know the right English expressions.
That's why today we're teaching you travel phrases you must know. Phrases you will use at the airport, hotel, restaurants, transportation, and during emergencies.
These phrases are simple, natural, and perfect for real-life situations.
Let's start at the airport. The moment you arrive, you may need help. Useful phrases. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter? Where is gate 12? Can you help me? I'm a little lost.
These are polite and easy to say. Let's practice one together. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter?
At the check-in desk, you may need these. I'd like to check in for my flight. Here is my passport. Do I need to pay for my baggage? Can I have a window seat, please?
Great phrases. And of course, you will hear questions like, do you have any luggage to check? What's your final destination?
Security can be stressful, but don't worry. These phrases help. Do I need to take off my shoes? Can I keep my laptop in the bag? I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please?
And at immigration, you may hear, what is the purpose of your visit? You can answer, I'm here for vacation. I'm here to visit family.
Once you're on the plane, these phrases are useful. Excuse me, that's my seat. Can I have some water, please? Do you have a vegetarian meal? Can you help me with my bag?
And if you need to be polite, sorry, may I pass? Could you please move a little? All right, you've arrived at your destination. Now let's check into the hotel. Useful phrases. I have a reservation. Can I see the room, please? Is breakfast included? What time is checkout? Can I get an extra key?
And if something is wrong, the air conditioner isn't working. The Wi-Fi is very slow. There's a problem with my room.
In almost every country, you'll need transportation. Useful taxi phrases. I'd like to go to this address. How much does it cost? Can you take me to the airport? Please stop here.
And for bus or train travel, where can I buy a ticket? Does this bus go to the city center? What time does the next train leave?
Now my favorite part. Food. Useful restaurant phrases. Table for two, please. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'd like this dish. Can I have the bill, please?
And for special needs, I'm allergic to nuts. Do you have vegetarian options?
When you're shopping, these phrases help. How much is this? Do you have this in a different size? Can I try it on? Do you accept credit cards? And if you want to sound friendly, it's really nice. I'll think about it.
We hope you never need these, but they are important. I need help. Please call the police. I need a doctor. I lost my passport. Where is the nearest hospital?
Always stay calm. These phrases can really help in difficult situations. Okay, let's do a short role play. Imagine you're checking into a hotel. Hello. Welcome. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Your room is on the 5th floor. Is there anything else you need?
Yes, can I get an extra key, please?
Of course. Enjoy your stay.
Repeat after me. I'd like to check in for my flight. Can you take me to this address? Table for two, please.
Here are your travel tips. Keep your sentences short. Speak slowly and clearly. Use polite phrases. Please, excuse me, thank you. Don't worry about mistakes. Smile. It helps everywhere.
Travel English is all about communication, not perfection.
Let's talk about something travelers often forget: culture. Speaking English is great, but understanding cultural behavior makes your trip even better.
Yes. For example, in many countries, people form lines and wait patiently. Saying please and thank you is very important. Making eye contact shows confidence. And a smile is always a universal language.
But in some cultures, people speak loudly and it's normal. Tipping is required. In others, tipping is not expected at all. Some cultures value personal space, some don't.
So always observe how the locals behave. Travel isn't just about seeing new places, it's about understanding new people.
Let's help you sound more natural while traveling. Here are some simple tricks. Trick 1. Use could instead of can. Sounds more polite. Could you help me? Could I sit here?
Trick 2. Add softeners like maybe or a little. I'm a little confused. Could you maybe show me the way?
And here's another trick. Trick 3. Use friendly greetings. Hi there. Good morning. How's it going? These small phrases make people feel comfortable and you'll get help faster.
Okay, time for something important. Common mistakes travelers make. Mistake 1. Speaking too fast. Take your time. Slow English is clear English. Mistake 2. Using only one phrase. Some travelers just say, I want this. Try variations like, I'd like this, please, or could I get this one?
Mistake 3. Forgetting to be polite. Even if you're tired, frustrated, or stressed, a simple thank you changes everything. Mistake 4. Being afraid to ask questions. Remember, people want to help you. Just ask.
Okay, listeners, it's challenge time. Your task is super fun today. Yes, we want you to imagine you're taking a trip to another country. Write in the comments where you're traveling, what phrases from today you will use, what food you want to try, what hotel or location you want to visit.
Use at least 10 travel phrases from the lesson. We read every single comment, and we might feature your story in the next episode.
Let's do one more practice, an advanced scenario. Imagine you're at the airport and your flight is delayed.
Hello, sir or ma'am. Unfortunately, your flight has been delayed for 2 hours.
Oh, I see. Thank you for letting me know. Is there another flight available?
Let me check. Yes, there's one leaving in 30 minutes. Would you like to switch to that flight?
Yes, please. That would be perfect. Do I need to pay anything extra?
No, it's free of charge. Here is your new boarding pass.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Time to practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. slowly and clearly. Could you help me? Where is the nearest station? I'd like to book a room for 2 nights. Is breakfast included? Can I pay by card?
And before we wrap up, here's your reminder. Traveling in English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave.
Yes, every time you speak, even with mistakes, you gain experience.
And one day, you'll travel and think, wow, I understood everything. Or even better, I had a full conversation with someone.
That feeling is incredible, and you're getting closer with every lesson.
Before we finish today's episode, we want to share something special with you. Some real messages we get from listeners around the world.
Yes, these stories show you that anyone, absolutely anyone, can travel confidently using simple English.
One listener from Brazil wrote to us, I traveled to Thailand last month. I used the phrases you taught, and for the first time, I wasn't afraid to speak English. I even asked for directions and ordered food by myself.
That's amazing. And we got another message from a listener in Turkey. I used your airport phrases when I was checking in. The staff understood me perfectly. I felt so proud.
See, these are normal people, just like you, learners who decided to speak even when they weren't perfect.
And if they can do it, you can do it too.
Now, for those of you who want to sound even more natural, here are some advanced phrases you can use while traveling. I'm trying to get familiar with the city. Do you have any recommendations?
Is there a faster route to get there?
Could you point me in the right direction?
Is this seat taken?
Do you know any good local restaurants around here?
And here are some for unexpected situations. My luggage didn't arrive. What should I do?
I think there's been a mistake with my booking.
Is there someone who speaks English who can assist me?
Could you write that down for me, please? These are phrases that real travelers use every day. Use them and you'll sound confident, natural, and experienced.
All right, let's practice together again, this time with full sentences. Repeat after me. I'm looking for the baggage claim.
Could you recommend a nice place to eat?
I need to change my reservation.
I think I'm going the wrong way.
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Great job. Remember, even if you're not repeating out loud, practicing in your mind helps your brain get comfortable with these phrases.
Let's talk about something really important. Your mindset while traveling.
Yes, many learners worry, what if they don't understand me? What if I say something wrong? What if I forget a word?
But here's the truth. Everyone forgets words. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers say the wrong thing sometimes.
Travel English is not a test. It's real life. People want to help you. They want to communicate with you.
So instead of thinking, what if I make a mistake? Start thinking, what if this is an opportunity to learn something new?
When you shift your mindset, everything becomes easier. Ordering food, asking for help, checking into a hotel, talking to locals, meeting new friends.
Let's give you some quick hacks to make everything easier.
Hack 1. Use apps like Google Translate when you forget a word.
Hack 2. Take a picture of your hotel name and address, always useful for taxis.
Hack 3. Learn 5 polite phrases. Excuse me, please, thank you, sorry, you're welcome.
Hack 4. If someone speaks too fast, don't panic. Just say, could you repeat that more slowly?
Hack 5. Smile. A smile helps more than perfect grammar.
Let's do one final big role play, a full travel day from airport to hotel.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport?
Sure, here you go. I'd like to check in for my flight.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, just this one. Also, could I have a window seat, please?
Of course. Your gate is B14. Have a great flight.
On the plane, excuse me, could I have some water, please?
Sure. Anything else you need?
As taxi driver, where would you like to go?
To this address, please. And could you tell me roughly how long it will take?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Ryan.
Welcome. Your room is ready. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. Do you need anything else?
Yes, could I get an extra key? And is late checkout available?
Absolutely. Enjoy your stay.
If you've listened this far, wow, you're truly dedicated.
Yes, and that dedication will take you far, not only in English, but in life. Every phrase you learn today is a tool that opens doors, a tool that helps you travel, a tool that gives you freedom.
And remember, you don't need perfect English to explore the world. You just need the courage to speak.
And we're here to help you every step of the way.
All right, travelers, we've reached the end of today's episode. But before we say goodbye, we want to remind you of something important. Every time you listen, repeat, and practice with us, you're building real travel confidence step by step.
Yes, and if you enjoyed this episode and you want more lessons like this, more travel English, more conversations, more real life practice, then make sure you support the channel.
How? Very simple. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with a friend who loves traveling, and leave a comment with today's challenge.
Your support helps us create longer, better, and more powerful episodes for you. And when you subscribe, you won't miss any of our weekly lessons.
And trust us, the next episodes are going to be amazing. New topics, new travel scenarios, new phrases, and more confidence-building practice.
So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, and join our community of learners who are becoming fluent, confident, and ready to travel the world in English. This is Sarah
And this is Ryan.
from Listen to Speak Podcast saying, thanks for listening and see you in the next episode.